Imagine sitting down to connect with your Akashic Records, and within seconds, you're receiving messages and divine inspiration. How amazing would that be? In this video, I'll teach you a simple process that you can follow, even if you've previously been unsuccessful. So stick around until the end. Before you know it, you too will be accessing your Akashic Records with ease. Hi, I'm Debbra Lupien, voice of the Akashic Records. The best way to connect with your Akashic team and speed up the ascension process is through meditation. You see, meditation creates a mind-body connection, and mind-body connection is an essential part of ascension. First, speak out loud the thing you want to focus on. Be very present, feeling the vibration of the words on your tongue. Allow the words to reverberate through your brain. If they bounce around a bit nonsensically, that's okay. Allow them. When you begin meditating, many nonsensical things may run through your mind. Don't stress about those errant thoughts. Just take another deep breath and pay attention to your breathing. No stress, no strain. That's counterproductive. Just as you would with a distracted child, keep gently bringing your thoughts back to your breathing and what you want to focus upon. However, don't be rigid. If your thoughts stray to something even better, allow them to explore for a bit and see where it goes. This very well could be the opening your team was looking for to communicate something of import. Even if your entire meditation is spent like this, it's fine. You're finding your way on a new path. Where will that path lead? Certainly to enlightenment, and isn't that a path worth some effort? When your time has elapsed, thank your guides with a grateful heart and go on about your day. Continue this process daily if possible, or at least a few times a week. Soon you'll find that you're able to quickly slip into a relaxed receiving state. Over time, you'll start to notice more activity in the form of physical sensations, visuals, hearing, or sort of seeing, feeling words appear in the middle of your brain, almost like a banner. That's one way. Another way is to begin with a guided visualization. Use any you like. You'll find a number on my website, akashaunleashed.com. Feel free to use any that resonate. When you reach the end of the visualization, you may thank your guides and move on, or you may stay in that relaxed open space and ask for a message. In the beginning, just allow whatever wants to come through to do so. Later on, as you're more fluid in your practice, you'll be able to ask questions and get answers. Just remember, you have to walk before you run. You may choose to set an alarm for a specific amount of time, or you may choose to just flow with whatever time feels right. Either is fine. This is about you finding the best path for yourself. Now, should you begin to get visuals that feel like a daydream, allow them to flow. Meditating is often like daydreaming, and everyone can daydream. You've probably been getting meditative messages, but didn't recognize them as such. Don't try to control the visuals. Simply flow with them. Should a scene or object change shape, flow with it. Don't try to force it back to what it was. There's a reason it morphed. You want to move forward with the visual, not anchor it down. Meditation is all about flow and ease. That's why you'll feel relaxed and refreshed afterwards. In this specific form of meditation, where your intent is to connect with your Akashic Records and team, the information coming to you is of a divine nature. That means it's encoded with the love, light, and vital force energy of Creator. Each time you use this specific form of meditation, you're topping off your energy tank with an infusion of vital force energy. Perhaps you now see why it's an important activity to incorporate into your life. Once you become adept at connecting, you'll find that it takes just seconds to form a solid connection and mere minutes to receive a refreshing download of vital force energy. Now, if that were your only purpose, it would be fine. However, as long as you're connected, why not dialogue with your team? Ask if there's a message or wisdom they wish to share at this time, or ask anything you like. Don't be surprised if they deliver a message in the form of archetypes, symbols, or metaphors. Sometimes you'll get straight up answers. More often, you'll receive answers that require some focus and thought to get to the entire message. In fact, by delivering answers in this way, your team is able to give you much more than a simple answer. They layer in deeper messages. You'll glean what you're ready to receive, and at a later time when you revisit, you'll often discover another deeper message that was waiting until you were ready. I recommend Googling the symbols that come up for you. Approach your message like a big puzzle. It's your job to find all the pieces and fit them together to reveal what was waiting there all along. Now, lest you feel frustrated at a lack of straightforward answers, understand this. Your guides will not, cannot tell you what to do. That is strictly verboten. They can drop breadcrumbs, give hints, and deliver encoded messages. Loving, gentle nudges are allowed, but telling, never, for that would make you little more than a puppet. If you don't already have some sort of meditation practice, consider scheduling in regular time and begin. It will change your life in ways you can't imagine. And friend, right now, with the transformation humanity is undergoing, you need all the extra help you can get. Want to speed up your ascension? Meditation will facilitate the process. It's the wisest investment in self that you can make. If you'd like to hear more divine messages that I have received and shared with you, go to the link above and you'll find a whole playlist of divine messages. Thank you for watching. This is Deborah Lupien, voice of the Akashic Records. Till next time, bye.